Hello guys, Brian here. Welcome to another Jurassic World unboxing video. So I have these two wild roars. Let's just get started. Here is the wild roar Ankylosaurus from the Jurassic World Rebirth line, specifically the Wave 2 line. This is the front, sides, here's his top, the bottom. On the back, you've seen this packaging before. At least, I hope you've seen this packaging before. And I don't really have much to say since I've also seen this a lot. Seen this packaging a lot. Let's just open those little strings, and now here's the wild Ankylosaurus out of the box. Let's go get the position it a bit more. Here it is, wild Ankylosaurus. Feels kind of small compared to some of the others. Maybe it's just me. Stands perfectly with only like 3 legs. See if I can get it for it to stand all 4 of them. Here. Looks like this leg's kind of short. That's okay though. It can still stand on it. It's 3 legs that are there. Maybe I can like position them a bit more than. Okay, that's better. So it has this. So the carapace or this little armor back little carapace is, I think, some sort of purple color or magenta or maybe maroon color with these black osteoderms on the sides and also the back as well. On the head, it is orange with a yellow eye. The orange is done in a really good patterns. I mean, it's not the best pattern, but still pretty good. Although, maybe it would be a lot better if it continued a bit more down all the way to, I don't know, the tail. But I have no idea how it would look if there was some sort of pattern that goes all the way to the back, all the way to the tail. I'm not sure. This is the underbelly, I'm not sure what this color is. Maybe like a pale green or something. I don't know. Here's a scan code. And here's the tail itself. Basically, this little purple color goes all the way to this white color. Pretty smooth little transitionings on this tail. I don't have much to say on the design. Articulation, I think most of it's on the legs. You can like spread the front legs out and you can rotate them a bit. Back legs, they can't spread, they just rotate a bit, just move like this. And the tail can also move as well. Oh yeah, and also let's get to, oh my gosh, sound and action features. Oh, I just realized what happened to this little osteoderms for some reason. It's a bit odd. Oh well. So when you move the tail up and down, you can, the head will also move up and down, go side to side. Its head will also go side to side. I usually like it just to move the head and see the tail move because, well, the Ankylosaurus uses tail to, use it to defend itself against, predators such as T-Rex. Also, do you think that I'm sounding a bit more quiet or something like that? I don't know. I feel like I'm sounding a lot less louder than before. Maybe it's just me, but anyways, that's the wild roar Ankylosaurus. I found this at Target, if you're wondering. I also found this next figure in Target. This is actually a new one of the ones I've seen recently in videos that I've seen. the Wild Roar Jurassic World Survival line. This is the Afrovenator. So this new line of Jurassic World toys are hitting Targets mainly. I've only seen them mainly on Targets. I'm not sure about Walmart's. Anyways, before I get this out of the box, here's the front. It's similar to the Rebirth one, except the design, the little design here is different because you see some old jungle over here. There's a T-Rex image right here, and also this part's like more yellow than red. And the back is different. You can see these are the ones you can get: Ceratosaurus, Pteranodon, and Brachiodensis. Oh my goodness, that's a hard one. So this Pliosaur right there. This one actually has some different features, but still says Wild Roar though. Alright, we got the figure out, but I also have to connect its tail. It's right there. Alright. Alright, here's the tail. And let me just connect it. There you go. Afrovenator. Okay, this guy can stand, which is really good. Design is actually really great. I like the little body sculpt. Although I'm not sure about some of the other parts. Like there's this little, I think it's a crest or a horn. But I'm not sure if I like that. Although it is kind of like semi-transparent. And still some of the body parts of this dinosaur are like translucent, which is interesting. Maybe it's for the action feature. Also, it has some little feathery parts on the neck and the tail, which is a bit odd, and they're pretty hard. I like the stripes though, although I wish they continued down to the tail, and the legs with the little, I think, the darker red, although the nails have not been painted. There's the eye as well too. It looks like green. It also does look like it has sort of lips, because it's not showing the. It's not. How am I supposed to explain it? It's not showing the top row teeth, unlike other Jurassic World dinosaur toys that they show the front teeth. Well, this one doesn't show his teeth when its mouth is closed. I think another one that is kind of similar to that. That has its mouth closed and its teeth are not like protruding out. You know what I'm saying, right? I hope so. Well, I think that was a water bottle falling. Anyways, I do like the patterns on this figure. Sculpt is alright. Could have been better. For articulation, the arms can spread out, can move. The legs can move as well too. Although they can't spread, which is sad. I like the spread legs, because I think if the legs can spread, it's a lot easier for the dinosaur to stand a bit more. Although this one doesn't have trouble standing, but maybe others might have trouble standing and couldn't use legs that could spread. And the tail is just 360. It's not really it really ruins the design. Like, what is this? Why can't they just put a ball joint tail? Anyways, the action features, there's a button right here. Let me see, here's the button. And it'll make noise. The head will turn one direction. I think it's towards the right. Its mouth will open, make sounds, and it also makes lights. Yeah, there's a green light. It's probably the reason why some of the body parts are translucent, maybe, because it might be easier for the light to go to. I think if in a dark area, you can see the light a lot better than if it's like a very bright area. Anyways, this is a interesting figure. Oh, here's a scan code as well too, if you're wondering. The sound effects are completely different from other theropods, which is actually nice. Doesn't sound like any of the other ones, other Jurassic World toys that makes those sounds. Anyways, that's just a, it's just a, you know, there's a small kind of toy unboxing of these two. If you enjoyed it, thanks. Please subscribe, and also turn on notifications. Well, see ya.